How to one-click to copy Facebook cookies. So if you want to copy the Facebook cookies, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, now if you want to just one click to copy the Facebook cookies, then you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots. Go with the extensions, go with manage extensions. Here, you need to add an extension. To add the extension, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with visit web store. Under the web store, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here you need to search for clone. Once you search here, you will have a lot of cookies extensions. You just need to simply go with any one of these and go with add to Chrome, which is on the right side. Go with add extension. Once you've added the extension, now you need to go with the top right and pin the extension. Once you've pinned the extension, now you need to go with your Facebook, reload your page, and that's it. You can go with the extension and the cookies has been copied as it says copied. That's how you can one click and copy the Facebook cookies. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.